Hello and welcome back to Conkers Bad Fur Day. As I fall off. Still moving though. Let's see here. I think last time we dealt with the bees. And I think the dung beetles gave us a hard time. But we didn't kill them yet, so.
Hello. It's me again, Mr. Scarecrow Birdie. Right. What seems to be the problem? Oh yes. You'll need manual. Otherwise, no. That doesn't work. It cost you.
Oh, how much?
Got any Pepsi box?
What?
Don't matter. Actually, I think, $10. Long time. Without manual, long time.
Here you go.
There you go. Manual. Just press B.
Oh, get me out of here. Hey, you. Come here. Come on. I want to go back in there. Hurry up. Okay. Suits me. Catch. Seems to be an instruction book. Oh, I see. It's for the more complex stuff. It'll appear the first time you use a more complex stuff. And if you need it again, then press L and B at the same time. To skip it, just press C. That's tactical. Let's see now. Use Control Stick to aim.
Okay.
And C button to fire. That seems simple enough. Okay.
Are you sure you got that? No. Surprised they didn't ask me. Okay, and then. I thought it was. Oh, it's Z to fire. My fault. Oh! Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh no, you ain't, motherfucker. Yeah. I missed. Oh, I didn't even think I hit him. Alright, last one. That should be good. Oh no. Oh, I took him out. Yeah. Where am I going? Where am I going? Why am I going this way? No. No. Get out of the water. Okay. Gotta get up here.
Let's see. That way or that way? That way smells a bit ooey. Let me see.
Make him go through the poo.
Okay.
Alright, gas mask.
$10. What time is it now?
Why do you take off the gas mask?
Well, I thought I'll come back later then.
Alright, put the gas mask back on. Alright, I guess let's go this way.
What is key elements in this experimentation? We have pebble, yeah? The milk in the glass broke. I see color. Oh, and the silver. Seems to be a... I must do some experiments. Yeah. And they will sort this out. And then my head is ready. Then, my lord, we will see who uses the duct tape.
Alright. That was a cutscene out of nowhere. we go over here and deal with the rat first.
I say, little fella, you better get this fat-ass bitch out from my back pronto.
Gee, so many people around here want me to solve their problems. What are you gonna do for me then?
I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. You get rid of that freaking mouse critter, and maybe I'll help you out. Just maybe. Oh, just one more thing. I say, just one more thing. You might run into my friend, Bird. Just mention my name, Jack, and everything will be just dandy.
Alright. Here we go up here now. Dodge the squishy boulders. Oh my gosh. Alright, made it through. That was easy. Go up here. I believe there's some money up here somewhere. Oh wow. Okay. Wow, that did absolutely nothing. I'm gonna run into the wall. There we go.
Hi, you must be Bert.
I'm Bert.
Jack sent me.
I'm opening the gate for you here, and you can get on what is everything you're trying to do.
Alright.
That's all you do? Great.
I swear there's money up here. I don't know why I thought there was money up here. Or not. I just lose a piece of chocolate. Smack that cheese, yeah. Can't even see what I'm doing. Okay, follow the big brick guy here. Now let him jump over my head. Yeah. I think he's gonna still jump. Alright.
That was nice. Ooh, I'd like another though, if that's okay.
Of course. Can I smack that rat, mouse, whatever it is? Keep on moving, yeah. Gotta get another piece of cheese. That one looks pretty yummy. Let's grab it. Put me down! Put me down! What the heck? I couldn't get up there. Launch him in there.
Marvelous! One more should just about do it.
Yeah, I bet one more would. Let's go. One last piece of cheese. Oh, whatever, I hit that one. Got him. Alright. Oh no, no, no! Oh no, I lost the cheese! Oh man! Whatever, get him away. Give me another piece of cheese. That one was looking at me funny. I'm gonna take that one. Out of the way. Oh! Oh! He turns around, right? Okay. I'll just follow him. Turns around. Whenever he decides to turn around. fuck was that? What is going on? What happened? Make sure you tune in next time so I can get him his final piece of cheese, because I don't know what happened right there. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and comment.